You ain't gotta worry about that, Jizzle. If somebody doing something better than me and they in pocket, they gonna be right where they need to be, right beside me, baby.
You know what that is, rattling?
I'm the one they forgot about.
Let's just do one full run without the music from the top. Up, back, up, back. 5, 6, 7, 8. Take it up, back, out, right, out, left, half turn. Up, back, out, right, out, left, shuffle right, shuffle left, step back on the right, shuffle left, shuffle right, step back, out and out. It's out and out, step up. Out and out, step up. Take it back. And out, get loose. It's right, left, double on the right, half turn. Right, left, double on the right, bounce. It's bounce, and bounce, and bounce. Rock rock, recover. It's rock, recover, step, half turn. Run it up. Left, right, left, and bounce. And bounce. And bounce. And bounce. Rock, recover. Rock, recover. Heart attack. Oh, 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 oh. See, it's really not that bad. Once you get through it, it's not that bad. Once you get the whole segment. So let's try it one more again, and then we're going to put on the music. One more again. Let's step back a little bit because it looks like we kind of too far up because we end up way up here. So we're going to start kind of to the back. Up, back, 5, 6, 7, 8. Take it up, back out, right? Out, left, half turn. Up, back out, right? Out, left, shuffle right, shuffle left, step back, full turn. Shuffle left, shuffle right, step back, full turn. Out and out. It's out and out, step up, out and out. Take it back. Out and out, slide. Out and out, get loose. Here we go. Right, left, double right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, double right, and left, right. Get ready, bounce. It's bounce, and bounce, and bounce. Rock, recover.